Yo YouTube, what's up? If your Jaguar radio is already locked and you need to enter our unlock code, I have a great tutorial for you. I found only working Jaguar radio code unlock generator. All you need to do to get our radio code, we must get this application Radio++, and this application, after enter our VIN or our serial number of our radio, allow you to generate our unlock code. In this video tutorial, I will show you step-by-step tutorial how it works and how to get this application for Android or iOS device. Okay, firstly, how to generate your unlock code. All you need to do, we must enter our VIN of our vehicle or our serial number of our radio. So I put my serial number of my radio code of my radio, and now the next step is press button generate, and now as you can see everything is generated. Wait to finish this process. After complete of this process, our unlock code will be displayed. And now this is my unlock code. Don't worry, this application support every model of car radio. How to get Radio++ application for Android or iOS device in 2023? This is so easy. I found from this website. So open browser, go to this website Zeno app. After scroll down or type this the Radio++. I get this from this website. So all you need to do, we must press button install. Now wait to finish this process, because the last step is human verification. Follow all instructions after complete every step from this verification. Don't worry, it's absolutely for free and easy. For your device will be download and install Radio++, and this application allows you to generate your unlock code absolutely for free. So enjoy and thank you for watching.